So what's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be reacting to Pulled Over for Eating and Driving, Daily Dose of Internet. So let's get into it.
Hello everyone, this is
your Daily Dose of Internet.
This police officer pulled him over because he thought the sandwich was a phone.
That's actually low-key crazy.
The reason for the stop is I saw your cell phone in here when you were driving, okay?
That was a sandwich.
I saw your phone.
My phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
It wasn't, I know what a sandwich looks like. It was your phone.
Well, obviously you don't cop, and that's why dash cams are always gonna save you, buddy. Dash cams gonna always save you because I know what a phone looks like. Trying to be a smart ass, and you obviously don't know what a phone looked like because it wasn't a phone.
All right.
Yeah.
So it was a rectangular thing. Whether it was your wallet, your phone, it looked like your phone.
Okay.
All right. So that's why I'm pulling you over.
Okay.
All good. All right.
Yeah.
¿Pollito? Ya, pero vas a comer la lechuga. ¿Lechuga? ¿Lechuga? Uy.
I wish my dog would. Oh, yeah, no. My dog don't do that.
He dropped his phone while he was driving on the highway, and this is what the video footage looked like.
This is where you dropped it?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
That whole spinning on
That was kind of cool, though.
Yeah.
It's tough.
Your screen's not cracked? No way.
And I think these muffins might be a little overdone.
Yo, muffin, a brick fan. Imagine you think as you eat this, no, it's just a muffin, just a little burnt. It'd be fun to eat and crack a tooth on that. Crazy.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I love these. Mommy doesn't have any.
I didn't get any. Oh.
He still crying. Look at him, such a sweetheart.
Thank you so much.
This is the worst tortilla maker device ever.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Hold on.
Is it because she put it at the top and not the middle? Oh no, it's just pushing out.
This police officer heard these balloons pop outside of his house and thought it was something a little more serious.
Вот это обман зрения, у меня чуть только что инфаркт случился, я подумал, что в тачке горит.
I hate when sodas do that.
Why do beluga whales always try to scare
He
children?
probably cut his hand.
This confused bird started doing a mating dance with her foot.
Look at him little hopping. That picture?
Now, why was he doing this?
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh my god. Audrey, lock in, bro. You know I did not set it on purpose. Bro, anyway. Ain't no way I'm gonna let him grip my hair like that. Fuck nah.
They saw that they were about to land on top
Ooh,
of a bunch of
jellyfish.
jellyfish.
Yeah, you gone. Cooked. Oh shit.
Someone thought it would be a good idea to build a beautiful hotel and pool right next to a jail. She couldn't figure out why her cat was in the closet. He was trying to send out a text message by using text-to-speech when this happened.
It's just fascinating. In the UK, they march forward on the 30th. But, oh my gosh! It says
Well, that is just fascinating in the UK. They march forward on the 30th, but oh my gosh.
I would go with.
He accidentally left a potato in the microwave for over 55 minutes. It really took him 5 business days to notice. This guy was somehow able to outsmart the police.
Damn, somebody just started hurting my eye.
What the heck, Robert?
This company often has their employees work in icy conditions, so they set up a slippery obstacle course to train them.
Well, not so much on that one.
He got food delivered to his house, but he didn't want his parents to find out, so he requested to have the food go directly to his bedroom window.
I'm not going. I'm not doing it. Meet me at the front door.
Where did you learn to sit like that? Oh.
Nancy, come. Oh my God!
Nancy wasn't coming. Dogs do this too.
They really had the self-driving car cracking an April Fool's joke.
I'm gonna have to stop for gas. Just kidding, I'm all electric. Happy April Fool's Day.
Hey, that concrete looks good.
That's gonna be your forever home.
Who did it? Who did this concrete?
Like her. Okay, cool. I'm in labor with this one. Kaya! Sorry! What the?
They were celebrating because their team won.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Some teeth finna for sure fly out. Had to be. How does that even happen? Shoes not big. I mean, too big. Oh, insurance finna pay
Nothing's
well.
gonna stop him from winning this race.
Walk, you walk, you don't see him yet, and then you do.
Oh shit. Oh no. What the heck? Quicksand? Was like a water underneath the dirt.
The little guy just wanted to come inside.
Baby, push up.
Alright.
That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
W video, I love the Daily Dose of Internet guy. He showed me videos that I've seen already sometimes, but then I see a new perspective of some other videos. So, excuse me, not perspective, I see new videos. But yeah, I love this video. If you like the video, go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing y'all in the next video. So, peace.
Bitches lost souls, and I know it. Fucking with the whole